A family in northern Italy keeps a secret buried in their bloodline for generations. They do not speak of it openly. They know what is coming, because in their family, sleep does not fade slowly. It stops completely, forever. This channel uncovers real stories buried in history, the ones hidden in medical files, erased from textbooks, or too extraordinary to fully explain. Fatal familial insomnia is not a disease that keeps you awake at night. It is a disease that removes the ability to sleep entirely. No medication can restore it, no treatment can slow it, and once it begins, it ends in only one way. The disease is caused by a single misfolded protein in the brain called a prion. It spreads silently through the thalamus, the region responsible for regulating sleep. As the prions multiply, they destroy the tissue around them, leaving behind hollow spaces where brain cells once existed. The thalamus begins to fail, and the signal that tells the body to sleep simply stops arriving. The first recorded case was traced to a Venetian nobleman who died in 1765. His descendants carried the mutation without knowing it, generation after generation, silent, waiting. In 1984, an Italian doctor named Ignazio Reuter watched his wife's family begin to fall apart. His father-in-law stopped sleeping. At first, the symptoms seemed mild. Difficulty falling asleep, strange dreams, unusual sweating. Then the hallucinations began. Vivid, terrifying episodes that blurred the line between waking and dreaming. The body continued functioning, but the mind was no longer resting, ever. After weeks without sleep, the body begins to deteriorate rapidly. Weight drops, coordination fails, speech becomes difficult. The patient enters a state that is neither sleep nor full wakefulness, a twilight existence from which there is no return. Within months, the body simply gives out. The disease follows 4 stages without exception. First, insomnia begins, followed by panic attacks and irrational fears. Second, hallucinations intensify, and the patient begins to deteriorate visibly. Third, complete inability to sleep, rapid weight loss, and cognitive collapse. Fourth, dementia, total silence, and death. The average time from first symptom to death is 18 months. There is no treatment, there is no cure, and the mutation can be passed to children with a 50% probability. Families who carry it face an impossible choice, to know or not to know. Some choose genetic testing, others refuse, living their entire lives uncertain whether the clock inside them has already started. In 2001, a young American man named DT developed the disease with no family history. He had no Italian ancestry, no known genetic link. His case proved that the mutation could appear spontaneously, meaning fatal familial insomnia is not confined to a single bloodline. It can emerge in anyone, anywhere, without warning. Medical researchers have studied the disease for decades. Some experimental treatments have shown early promise in animal models, but no human trial has yet produced a breakthrough. The disease remains one of the rarest and most devastating conditions ever documented. Fewer than 60 families worldwide are known to carry the mutation, but the total number of silent carriers is unknown. Some of them are alive right now, going about their days, not yet knowing what their own DNA has already decided. Because some conditions do not announce themselves, they wait, quietly, patiently, until the night arrives when sleep simply does not come. Stay with us. The vault is never empty.